Hey guys, what's going on? What is going on? Street Trading here with today's final trade ideas video for the week session. Today's Friday, the 21st of May, 2021. Looking at a 15-minute chart of SPY. Let's get right into it. So the boys are pushing, man, pushing higher. Coming up on the last Friday's highs in the pre-market session. Right now the SPY is up just over a point right now in the pre-market. Still got another about an hour and change before the boys step in at 8 a.m. But definitely run up into the close. Pretty significant, pretty solid run, as obviously trying to reclaim long-term moving averages on the daily. So obviously, you know, there's optimism going into the weekend, whether we're going to continue to push up or run into that key supply from last Friday night remains to be seen, but it's definitely a nice finish to the week. The week's been obviously a little bit of a roller coaster for the Bulls, but nonetheless, you know, they wiped out some of those gains, I mean some of those losses. So back to where we kind of started in the beginning of the week, and see if we're going to continue that run up to the all-time highs in that 422, 423 or not. But today's Friday, volatile day. You know how that always goes. You know, a lot of the guys getting blasted throughout the week, trying to make that money back on Friday. So, you know, there's obviously a lot of emotional traps in the markets on Friday. So that's why we like to always kind of take a step back a little bit, let dust settle. We always like to let the dust settle, but, you know, on Fridays a little bit more, let everybody get shooken out, and then take the meat of the move. Pretty much is a solid approach for a Friday session. So we're going into today's session with what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on our watch list. Got some continuations and some new ones as well. We had a solid week in the market, so we're gonna obviously want to wrap up this week, continuing that sentiment, and we're gonna just blast it out. So let's talk some numbers, let's talk some levels, let's talk some game plan for today's session to wrap up the week. All right, guys, let's get right into it.